Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how to use your triple captain and bench boost chips in Fantasy Premier League. So first, open your Fantasy Premier League application on your device, log into your specific account, and also ensure that the application is up to date. From the bottom menu, tap on Fantasy, which is between latest and season. Then select Pick Team option from the top. To activate your Bench Boost, tap on the Bench Boost option in the top left corner of the screen. If it's not already activated, tap on Activate and confirm your selection. And this will apply the Bench Boost to your chosen players. This chip is only available twice a season, and the first is available from the start of your season and must be played by the Game Week 19 deadline. The second set of these chips will be available after the Game Week 19. If you have it, you can tap on it and then make a selection and confirm. So that's how you use both the Bench Boost and the Triple Captain chips. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe.